Firecrackers are small, wrapped explosives designed primarily to produce a loud banging noise and a sharp flash of light. They are usually used around the world to celebrate festivals, holidays, and cultural events. A few of them. Classic firecrackers. Small paper tubes fused together in strings that explode. M80s and copies. Large, powerful firecrackers designed to produce an exceptionally loud boom. Flash crackers. Devices using silver flash power to create a much brighter flash upon exploding. Match crackers. Firecrackers creating a strike on box ignition tip instead of a traditional green fuse.